tap it. Go guys. Tap it. Okay, very good. Okay,